Hi Sam. I'm excited for today's lesson because we're learning the word
Krankheit.
Hi Alex.
Krankheit.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Great question.
Krankheit.
Means illness or disease in English. The most common meaning is illness, but it can also refer to a medical condition. Just be careful because it's not a false friend like some other words.
What do you mean by false friends?
False friends are words that look or sound similar in two languages but have different meanings. For instance,
Aktuell.
means current in German, not actual. So,
Krankheit.
is straightforward, meaning illness.
Got it. What about the grammar of
Krankheit.
Krankheit.
Is a feminine noun, so it has the article.
Die.
The plural form is.
Krankheiten.
You can think of it as a situation where you would say,
Ich habe eine Krankheit.
meaning I have an illness. In the past tense, you would say,
Ich hatte eine Krankheit.
and in perfect.
Ich habe eine Krankheit gehabt.
And what about the imperative form?
Since
Krankheit.
is a noun, it doesn't have an imperative form. But you might use sentences like,
Kümmere dich deine Gesundheit.
meaning take care of your health, which is related.
That makes sense. Where does the word come from?
Krankheit.
Originates from the Old High German word,
Krancher.
which means sick or ill. It's fascinating how the meaning has remained consistent throughout history.
That is interesting. So it has a long history.
Yes, and it reflects how important health has always been in society. Now, let's break down the word.
Krankheit.
Consists of the root,
Krank.
which means sick, and the suffix,
Heit.
which indicates a state or condition.
Krank.
Means sick, and
Heit.
makes it a noun.
Exactly. It's like building with Lego blocks. You start with
Krank.
and add
Heit.
to create the concept of being in a state of being sick.
That's a cool way to think about it. Are there other similar words?
Absolutely. For instance, with the prefix,
Krank.
we have,
Krankenschwester.
which means nurse, and
Krankheitserreger.
which means pathogen. With,
Heit.
we also have words like
Freiheit.
meaning freedom, and
Gesundheit.
meaning health.
Wow, that's a lot. What about some other examples?
Sure. Here are a few more.
Ewigkeit.
Meaning eternity,
Menschlichkeit.
meaning humanity, and
Schönheit.
meaning beauty. They all use the
Heit.
ending to denote a state or condition.
That's really helpful. Can we practice using
Krankheit.
in sentences?
Of course. Imagine you're at the doctor's office. You might say,
Ich habe eine Krankheit.
which means I have an illness. Can you try that?
Ich habe eine Krankheit.
Perfect. Another situation could be discussing health issues with a friend. You could say,
Es gibt viele Krankheiten, die ansteckend sind.
which means there are many illnesses that are contagious. Can you try that?
Es gibt viele Krankheiten, die ansteckend sind.
Is that right?
Yes, exactly. One last situation could be when you're talking about prevention. You might say,
Man kann Krankheiten vermeiden, indem man gesund lebt.
meaning you can avoid illnesses by living healthily.
Man kann Krankheiten vermeiden, indem man gesund lebt.
Great job. Now, let's talk about the gender of
Krankheit.
being feminine. You can remember it because it ends in.
Heit.
Think of a woman who was ill, and that can help you remember.
That makes it easier.
And it's often used in formal contexts, but you can also use it in everyday conversations. Some typical collocations are
Schwere Krankheit.
meaning serious illness,
Chronische Krankheit.
meaning chronic illness, and
Eine Krankheit diagnostizieren.
meaning to diagnose an illness.
That's useful. Are there any words I should be careful with?
Yes, be careful with,
Krank.
because it can mean sick, but it doesn't always refer to an illness. And don't confuse
Krankheit.
with,
Gesundheit.
which means health.
I'll keep that in mind.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. First question, what is the plural form of
Krankheit.
Is it?
Krankheiten.
correct? Next, what does
Krank.
mean?
Sick.
Yes. Can you give me a sentence using
Krankheit.
Ich habe eine Krankheit.
good? What is the gender of
Krankheit.
It's feminine, so.
Die Krankheit.
exactly? And what does the suffix
Heit.
indicate?
It indicates a state or condition.
You did really well, Sam. To summarize, today we learned about
Krankheit.
its meanings, grammatical structure, and some useful phrases.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using it now.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and remember that understanding these words will help you communicate better in German.
I will. Thanks for the lesson.